Hello, I hope you are well. In this lesson, you are going to learn and how to write comments in HTML. And comment tags are really used to insert any comment which will not be showing in your web pages, but that will be hidden in your coding. Okay, let's do it. How to this one. You see this example, and the tag as bytes I have written, but this is not showing on the browser, but only showing this one, and which already added in the comment line. Then that's all content is already hidden on that browser. So let's do it practically. First of all, you think that I want to write something here. This is the example HTML comment. I want to write here also. This is HTML comments. Then save it. I don't want to I don't want to show this content, so I want to hide this content. So first of all, you can write, then bracket. Then this comment is already hidden, and this is the color is also gray color, or will be changed. This color will be changed into gray color when it's has been done. And check it out, there is anything else, and because I have written the comment option, and you can write whatever you are writing on this link, that all will be hidden, and save it. That's it. So if you think that you want to write a comment, then just write. Then tab is the tab is opening right now, but when you save, there is no tab because it's already hidden. It's saved as a comment. So you can add your comment in HTML by using this code. Thank you so much, and see you next video.